Repeated disruptions as the deadlock over Special Intensive Revision SIR issue forced multiple adjournments in both houses. The Lok Sabha was adjourned twice before being finally adjourned for the day, with opposition members from the Congress, DMK, TMC and others trooping into the well and demanding an immediate discussion on the SIR. Despite repeated appeals from the presiding officer and Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju, who reiterated the government's readiness to discuss any issue, the opposition continued its protest, disrupting proceedings. The sitting had begun with Speaker Om Birla welcoming a parliamentary delegation from Georgia, but business could not proceed due to the escalating uproar. Similar scenes unfolded in the Rajya Sabha, where opposition MPs continued their demand for a priority discussion on the SIR under Rule number 267. Leader of opposition Mallikarjun Kharge and DMK's Tiruchi Shiva stressed the seriousness of the matter, leading to sloganeering, walkouts and adjournments. After an earlier adjournment, the upper house reconvened and later took up the Manipur Goods and Services Tax Second Amendment Bill 2025, moved by the Minister of State for Finance Pankaj Chaudhary. However, repeated protests over the SIR and other issues again disrupted the 0 hour, forcing the chairman to adjourn the House till 11 a.m. of December 3.